Every great story needs a voice. Every breaking news movement demands clarity. Hi, my name is Faisalabad. I am coordinator, the Department of Mass Communication, the University of Faisalabad. In the today's digital world, the power to inform, entertain, and inspire lies in the hands of skilled media professionals. The University of Faisalabad, our BS in Digital Media and Broadcast Journalism is not just a degree, it's a launchpad. Whether you dream of being behind the camera, in the anchor's chair, or shaping digital content, we give you the tools, the training, and the real-world experience to excel. Step into our professional grade studio where theory meets practice. So, are you ready to tell your story? Join the Department of Mass Communication, the University of Faisalabad today.